The 2012 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, tachometer, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.